Welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot, but cannot get it past the fielder. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Good shot for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Turned away for a single. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. There's an overthrow. Oh no! 4 bonus runs for the overthrows as well for the batsman. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Very good running between the wickets. That's an excellent throw. Oh, that's a beautiful delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Good shot for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single. Wow, that was a really wide throw. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. Looks in good batting form. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Very good running between the wickets. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Missing his line there, wide signalled. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Squeeze a single there, good running. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Good shot for a single. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Glorious, absolutely glorious. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Turned away for a single. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. Well, that's close. The bowler thinks he's out. Batsman in a spot of bother there. The on-field umpire goes upstairs. And yes, he gets his man. Batsman takes the long. Spinner brought back from the other end. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for 2 here. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Well placed into the gap, possible 2. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Good shot for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Excellent dive. Superb reflexes. That could well be the catch of the match. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. Pleasing to the eye. This effort by the fielder, mind-blowing. The bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. Pushed in the gap. Batsman will look to get some valuable runs here. Pace bowler now into the attack. Good bowling, it beats them all, ends up. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot for a single. That's a quick throw, right on top of the stumps. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. High on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the bowler. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Smart bowling, bowling according to the field set. Turned away for a single. Ah, that's a good throw. Straight into his hands. Last ball coming up. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Last ball coming up. Exceptional. What a catch. Full marks for the catch. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. The batting team is managing a good run rate, that's for sure. Turned away for a single. Bullseye! What a throw, flat and fast. Very good running between the wickets. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Leg by, says umpire. Runs at it to the team's total. Shouts of catch it, but nobody will. That's 6 runs. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Nailed it. Absolutely. Perfect throw. In the air. Spectacular. Perfectly to her. He held on to that one. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. The bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman's played all around that one. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Oh, that's a good delivery right on the money. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line of the ball. He didn't get any timing on that one. Found the gap beautifully and that races away to the boundary again. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. But it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman has played all around that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Good loud appeal. Oh, that's a complete lack of communication between the two batsmen. A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Good shot for a single. Yeah, that's very close, very close. But the umpire says not out. And he decides not to take the review. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot for a single. Ah, that's a good throw, straight into his hands. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.